friends, welcome to 100 Days of Christmas. No. Hi friends, welcome to 12 Days of Christmas cards. I thought today we would go ahead and use some fabric on our Christmas card, kind of switch it up a little bit. So this fabric was gifted to me by my friend Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories. I'm going to go ahead and tear it to size to create this nice fluffy edge. I think I'll just cover the front. I won't cover the whole back. Again, today we're going to use this handmade stationery that was created in Italy, which I found at the thrift store, so that's a lot of fun. And so what I'm doing is I am going to go ahead and tear the width first. I don't know if this is going to cut in this opposite direction. You know, sometimes tearing along with the grain works great, and then sometimes certain fabrics don't tear against the grain. So let's just find out. Let's just give it a try. Oh, we did perfectly fine. Just have to pull off the loose threads and we are good to go. So I'm going to do that again on the other side here, on the other end I should say. There we go. All right, so this will be fun because it'll be a little bit different. We haven't done one with a big piece of fabric, so I think that's pretty neat. So now all I need to do is adhere that on here. So I could use Fabri-Tac, and that's what I will use. And I don't want it to seep through, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a nice rectangle here on my paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and spread that with my finger, just spread it out. That way the fabric will still grip, but it shouldn't seep up through it. Let's give it a try. Yes, that worked great. Oh, cute, cute. Now I'm tempted to make more with that. The color of the stationery and the fabric go really, really nicely together. All right, what do we want to do next? We have this cutie pie right here. Maybe we work her in somehow. Let's see. Let's try a couple of different things out. I don't think this really goes with that, but that does go with her, so maybe I reserve her. Let me put her over to the side. Friends, I have this tag that I created using a master board, and look how great that looks. Doesn't that look so good on there? So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, oops. Super easy. All I got to do, since this is going to go down on fabric, I could do one of two things. I could use Fabri-Tac, which I am choosing to use, or I could use hot glue. But I am going to use Fabri-Tac. Super pretty. Well, my friends, this one I think is done. I don't think it really needs anything else. The fabric really does a lot of work in the background, and then the masterboard tag finishes up the job. I had already put stickles on it, so I don't feel like there's anything else that needs to be done to this particular Christmas card. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was super quick, super easy, but you know, we'll take it. We like super quick and easy sometimes. So, you know, when you're making your cards, look around in your stash and see if you have some pre-made pieces already to go, and then you can put yours together quick and easy too. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. See you soon.